I have a broken Airstrike shotgun, plastic airgun shot made in China by Daisy. I'm not sure who made it. Probably Well or Double Eagle. This particular unit is broken, and I'm going to take it apart because I have another unit which is working. I've identified the problem, which is that the piston sear is not catching. This is a very problem gun, or a big problem with spring guns. There's parts rattling around in the stock. I think that's what broke off, unfortunately. Triggers aren't working. As you can see, it just clicks. This one came with shells, thankfully. Can always use more of those. But oh, and the safety's broken, just like my working one. But we're gonna go ahead and take this apart. Shouldn't be too hard. Here we go. Oh wow, it's a lot easier than I thought it'd be. Fuck. Okay. Ate my words there. Shit. Oh, check it out, Golden Spring. Alright, so this one... Oh boy. Take a look at that. Wow. Fuck me. Alright. So I'm just going to settle for trying to get this... maybe it is a broken sear, maybe it's not. You see it uses a dual piston setup. Very cool. Okay, so I didn't look at the pistons closely enough. Take a look. This one's completely missing the edge. Or that. See how this one's got the sear on the bottom. This one. Hang on. This one does not. And it's actually. Looks like it's been broken off. Huh. Well, that was our problem. You know, that's always a problem. I should have known that from the beginning. But I'm probably just going to keep the good piston and throw this away and never take one of these apart again. This shit looks hard as fuck. Much like a traditional Marui tri-shot. So this one's going in the trash. And fun little experiment. Seeing what was wrong with it. These do show up from time to time, so keep your eyes out for one. And they usually sell for pretty cheap. If you need 2 shells, I'll send you some, just because I have extras. And I guess that's all I got for you guys today. See ya.